Good morning, students. My name is Vijay Soni, and today we are going to discuss direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. Okay, direct speech is what, and indirect speech is what. This is indirect speech only, which is called reported speech. You can see here I have written reported speech, so this is only indirect speech. What is the difference between direct speech and indirect speech? Actually, when two people talk about something, they share their ideas. So after that discussion, if one of them discusses the same things with someone else, so at that time he makes some changes according to him, right? And these changes happens according to time. There are changes regarding time, and mean the verb of reported speech, and apart from that, the pronouns related, words of nearness related, and inverted comma related, reporting speech related. So all these changes are to be done over there. So we are going to discuss them step by step. Like, direct speech is what? When the speaker's words are reported same as the speaker has uttered. Like, Rahul said to his father, comma, inverted comma begin, I'm going to school now, full stop, inverted comma closed. Now, what is indirect speech? When we give the substance of what the speaker has said, it is indirect speech. Like, Rahul told his father that he was going to school then. Now you can see the difference. Said to has converted into told, comma and inverted comma has converted into that, I has converted into he, and m has been converted into was. And now at the end of the sentence, you can see there was now, and now has been converted into what? It has been converted into here, come here, it has been converted into then, right? So changes which happens, so when we express a direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, take an example, take one more example. Like, if we say the teacher said to the students, the school will remain closed tomorrow, full stop, inverted comma closed. So indirect speech would be the teacher told the students that the school would remain closed, the next day. So now you can see, said to has been converted into told, comma, inverted comma into that, and the T of the has been converted into small letter, and then the next change is regarding will has been converted into would, and tomorrow has been converted into the next day. So now list the changes. Said to, told, comma, inverted comma, that, and will into would, and tomorrow into the next day. Take one more example to make it more clear. Sheila said to Madan, we have to complete our project by Monday, and full stop, inverted comma closed. Now list the changes once again. Sheila told Mohan that they had to complete their project by Monday, right? So now this time we see the changes. Said to has been converted into told, then comma, inverted comma into that, we into they, and have into had. So now see, change one, reporting verb. My dear students, please pay attention, right? This is the thing which is called a reporting verb, because this particular portion which is out of inverted commas, where you find speaker and listener. Sometimes you don't find listener, or you find only speaker, but at least reporting speech always has a speaker and a reporting verb. This is reporting verb. This particular portion is called reporting speech, and this particular portion is called reported speech. This is reported, and this one is reporting, right? So this verb will be called reporting verb. So come back. Changes of reporting verb relates to reported speech. Words within, written between comma, inverted comma, right? So reported speech, whatever the type of reported speech, that affects the changes into reporting verb. Like, if reported speech is an assertive sentence, say remains same, says remains same, said remains said same, it remains. But if there is say to, that will convert it into tell. says to is converted into tells, and said to is converted into told, right? Look at the examples. Ravi says Kapil has gone. So Ravi says that Kapil has gone, right? We have not made any changes over here. We have not converted says into tells because there is not two. You don't have two over here, right? So whenever reported speech is an assertive sentence, that is an assertive sentence ना, subject then action, right? पहले इसमें subject है, then after that you find action in that. Okay, so says remains the same, comma inverted comma has been changed into that because this thing also depends upon the type of reported speech. Whenever it is assertive, comma inverted comma is changes into that only. And after that, Kapil has gone. No change in the verb has occurred here because reporting verb is in present. Actually, all the changes in reporting verb happens according to reported speech, and all the changes into reported speech happens according to reporting speech. How? I am explaining you. Now see, Ravi says to Suman, Kapil has gone. Now this time you can see I have converted says to into tells. So Ravi tells Suman that Kapil has gone. This time also there is no change. There is no change in the verb of reported speech. You know why there is no change in the sentences in the verb, right? That is just because of the verb of reporting speech. Because all the changes in the verb of reported speech take place according to the tense of reporting speech. Like one more example. Ravi said Kapil has gone, right? So Ravi said Kapil had gone. Now here you can see the change. Here I have converted has into had. Earlier I have not changed that because this time I have got here said. So said means second form. It means my reporting speech is in past. So whenever reporting speech is in present or future, reporting speech is in present or future, reported verb of reported speech is never changed. But if the verb of reported speech is in past, verb of reported speech is converted into its parallel past. Like you see, Ravi said to Suman, Kapil has gone. Okay, Ravi told Suman that Kapil has gone. Okay, now see here what happened. Said to, we have got past. Our reporting speech is in past, right? And we have got said to, and the reported speech is an assertive sentence. So as this is an assertive sentence, said to will be told. Said to will be converted into told. You can see. Say, says, said, but say to tell, says to tells, and said to told. In case when reporting speech is an assertive sentence. So that is because of this thing. Where the sentence that we have changed over here has into had, because reporting speech is in past, but in this sentence I have not changed. So what is that? That is an error. I should change it into had. Okay. Here in this video I'm telling you this much only. In the next video I'll continue from the same point.